Welcome to another episode of Bird's Life, guys. This week we're coming back to Keel and Curley, and we got a mission. What are we doing?
We are here at the Tampa Bay Blueberry Festival at Keel and Curley. So we are doing the You Pick blueberries. We both got some buckets.
These awesome buckets.
Yeah,
they got these cool stickers on them. Oh yeah. Man, they are super official. So we're gonna fill them up with blueberries, and we might do something really special with one of the buckets of blueberries. I mean, these are pretty big. And then they said they're having an adult like Easter egg hunt, but it's not Easter eggs, right? Because tomorrow's Easter for us, and that it's actually hidden bottles, and the bottles, they represent wine. So like when you get one, you find one, they're black, you take it to one of the redemption centers, and then they'll give you a bottle of wine. So we are not only picking blueberries,
on a double mission.
We're keeping our eyes peeled.
Double mission.
Guys, there's some blueberries right here. I think I'll pick these ones. And let's go pick some blueberries.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Blueberries. Like, look at this. It's so cool. You can eat them right off the tree. Pretty cool.
When we lived in Alabama, we had a blueberry bush in our front yard, and I remember picking it and eating it before Mom knew. Sorry, Mom. Berry. It's like bigger than my eyeball, man. How you doing on your bucket?
I'm doing pretty good. I've got not even half yet.
Actually, we can kind of see it when you hold it up to the light.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's not half. That's like maybe a quarter.
Yeah, a quarter about.
It's actually getting kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Yeah, I feel like we're gonna be like, oh, these things are pretty hardy.
Really delicious.
What number is that?
3. Oh yeah. We're gonna step on these later.
Oh my goodness.
And then we're gonna make some wine.
Make our own blueberry wine.
I don't know how good we would be at that.
Isn't that song strawberry wine, not blueberry wine?
Maybe. I don't know that song.
Yikes. Guys, he's on a mission to find the bottle. The blueberries have become second priority for a moment, and the bottle finding has taken first place.
I'm looking for the bottles of wine. I mean, I know the blueberries is where it's at, but if you can get a bottle of wine, man, that should just be like the icing on the cake. Is that what they would usually say?
Yep, that's the phrase.
Yeah, let's go find that icing. So, we're currently kneeled down, trying to find the bottles. And as you can see, we're as low as you can get. Guys, if you see a black bottle in one of these bushes, in the comments, let us know. I mean, it'd be too late, but if we missed it, we would like to know if we missed it. The scavenger hunt. So if you find it, you win the Bird's Life Award of the week.
Whoa, this is big blueberries.
Big blueberries. If I was a bottle of wine in a black bottle, where would I hide?
Go on under. This is one of those times where, like, Being able to walk at a low level like a dancer comes in handy. I'm in the bush.
She's in the bush.
Look, I'm a blueberry.
She's a
I wore the right color.
Let me just go ahead and pick her. I want her in this. Ah! It's just like such a beautiful day. Look at the greens of
really nice
the winery, and then the blue skies.
Yeah.
And then like we're blue.
Ooh, here comes a breeze.
Whoa.
There we go. That's what I'm talking
The
about.
Florida gods have answered.
They said pity on you.
Yeah. So, what do you want to do? What do you want to start? Do you want to go down a little bit more, or
go down? You want me to go this way?
yeah, I don't know.
let's
You
go
want to
that
start in
way.
the corner?
Let's go back.
Let's
Away
go back.
away from
Let's do that. Just passed by mud. I know it doesn't look it, but I just wore new shoes today on all days, and she's trying to like clean her shoes back there.
Yeah, it was a fail.
It was a fail.
Look at them.
Let me see. Yeah. I was just saying.
Oh, on the leg.
I was just saying. I chose to wear new shoes on all days of going through a
I don't know
winery.
why I didn't think to wear like my outdoor shoes. Try to be cute.
It's
wear
okay.
blue.
I wanted to like kind of like look nice too for some reason.
So this blueberry, this is Veruca salt. Wait, that's the wrong one.
Yeah.
Wait.
Veruca is the bad
Veruca
egg.
is the bad egg. Hold on. Scratch that. This is Violet Beauregard. That's her name. I knew they were both annoying, but
Violet, you're turning violet. She's turned into a blueberry. A little bit of an update, you guys. So, we got our buckets
full.
pretty full. We haven't found the magic black wine bottle yet.
Yeah, we
but
heard someone found one, and he said it was in between the branches of one of the bushes. However, we didn't see the size, so we don't know if it's like their full-size wine bottle or if it's just like something small.
So we're gonna keep our eyes peeled. It could be anywhere, but we're not giving up just yet. Not just yet. What's up, buddy? What's up, little cow?
I will talk about how it all basically works. So here at Keel Farms, we start with 5,500 gallons of apple juice, which fits in that tank right behind you. We have to get that in via tankers because if we were to get trucks filled with apples, it would not even be enough to fill about half of that. Just so you guys know, about 2 apples milled and pressed makes less than a cup of juice. So it's like 6 ounces. So you need a lot of apples to make a lot of juice. So once we have the juice in the tank, we'll add yeast to it. The yeast will consume all the sugars and convert that into CO2 and alcohol. And after about 2 weeks, it'll look something just like this.
Let's talk about bottling it and how it's bottled. If you see this large vat right here, it is attached by hose to this handy machine right here. Immediately, the recycled bottles pass through our duct here. Can you see them being filled over there? Prior to being filled, they get a shot of nitrogen to take out any impurities. They get automatically filled over there. They get corked. Our fine gentleman here is putting these foil caps on top of it. And then as it goes through this machine, it all gets fused, the cap gets fused on, and the label gets put on.
So we just did a tour and it was pretty amazing.
It was cool. Lots of neat
Lots
facts.
of really cool facts.
Yeah,
and
apparently it started as like a landscaping place, and then that kind of like transcribed. I don't know. I said transcribed.
What? Yeah, like it sort of
transformed
evolved.
into a
And
winery because
he
figured
planted
out,
blueberries.
Yeah, blueberries apparently grow really great in the state of Florida, and then it just kind of all grew from there into a winery and a brewery, and it just kind of all.
And everything here on the farm is farm to table. So they even have this really cool like chef's garden. So all the vegetables that they serve here come right here from the garden, and it changes seasonally. It's really awesome. And then they said they were what, 95%?
I don't know, above 90%.
Above
sustainable,
90%
which is, like,
sustainable.
Super impressive.
Like amazing. Yeah. So it was an amazing tour, and we're gonna go see some chickens now.
Chickens. They're wanting us to throw some blueberries too.
What's up, little chicken? So we're hot, and I've been making Sarah carry both buckets of blueberries, and these things are heavy regardless of what they look like, and as much as you think they weigh, they're actually pretty heavy.
They probably weigh like 2 pounds.
Yeah, this is like 2 pounds, but try carrying 2 pounds for a couple hours
In the straight heat.
in the straight heat. So we're gonna go ahead and sit down, get something to eat, and get out of the sun a little bit. And wow, it looks like we already got a little bit of sun, maybe. All right, well, let's go settle down.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get some eats. So, what a festival it is.
It's pretty cool.
And you know what? This is our take 2, because we were here last Saturday when we bought tickets, but we realized you need to get the VIP in order to pick the blueberries. So we ate some blueberry burger.
We had blueberry cheddar cheeseburgers last time with some chips, and I got the same wine I always get, the sweet blueberry usually.
And I got the blueberry muffin wheat ale, which was pretty interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah, the aftertaste was very reminiscent of something kind of like thick. Like I don't know, it was interesting. But anyways, so we're not gonna eat this time because we ate last week. But there's some pretty cool food here. They got barbecue vendors. They've got beef jerky. You get popcorn, pork rinds. Everything is local, and it's really cool because you're supporting small businesses in the area when you buy from the vendor, and everything here. Of course, if you get something at Keel, it's farm to table, so it's amazing. But we're gonna skip out on our food today, but there is some really great options here, and wow, what a day it's been. It's hot out here. So I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this adventure, and we'll see you guys next week. We want to thank you for watching, and we want you guys to subscribe because we're having fun with this channel. Man, we are on a roll. We haven't missed a week yet. And now that we're switching to Fridays, like it's something to look forward to all week. So guys, please subscribe. Let us know what you think.
Sorry,
So many pups here at this place. Hey, if you guys have been to the Blueberry Festival,
Tampa Bay Blueberry Festival,
let us know if you were here and what was your favorite part. And hey, and if you found a bottle, let us know because
we didn't quite.
we still haven't found a bottle yet. We searched,
It's okay.
but
we found lots of blueberries.
we found lots of blueberries. But hey guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week
time.
on Birds Life.